This is the TROVE Swift band wallet. It's made in England. It is custom made. You can make them custom made. Fantastic. Keep watching. Welcome to Walletopia. Please remember to look at the notes below for all links about this episode. Tell your friends about the channel. We're really trying to grow this. We're really trying to make this the channel for wallets on YouTube. Now let's open up the TROVE Swift band type wallet. It comes in this nice clear box. And this is a custom made one. Obviously it says right there that I had made with specific colors. So let's open this up. See how it's packaged in here. Pop it out. Nice insert here. Shows you how you can use it. Because unless you kind of experiment with it, it's a little hard to figure out. This one is the Swift, so it has the pull tab here, and obviously pulls out the card. It's handmade. So we look at this here. We'll talk about its quality, but it is all handmade. This is leather. They do have non-leather options for folks looking for a vegan option there. And we will get into the particulars of this, but this is a lovely made little minimalist band wallet. Now, TROVE means store of valuable or delightful things. Well, that kind of makes me think of pirates. Like we're sailing towards an island to find a trove of buried treasure. Yeah, okay, anyway. I'm all about delightful, so let's see what we've got here. With this particular wallet, it has a front, and that's where it's actually got the stamp of the name of the brand, TROVE. And if you lift it up like this, it has an entry point in the top. This is where you'll place the bulk of your cards, and it does have a loop catch in the bottom, so they go here in the top is where your cards go. There are three distinct slots. This is the first one. If we turn it over, on the other side, where we have the pull tab is where we have the second. So quick access cards or cash go right in here, and they can be pulled out at that point. Then on the opposite side, you have yet another little catch point. It's another slot here where you can put cash, you can put additional cards there. What is interesting is that on this spot right up here, you can actually put some coin in there if you want as well. And it's all very clever. And if you can tell, being this was custom made, it says custom here, and it is made in England. Very nice. This is a quick review of the features of the TROVE Swift band wallet. Now on to the card and cash insertion test. As you saw, we got 7 cards in there, 3 slips of cash, and 2 coins without a problem. And the company, I think, recommends not more than maybe 10 in there, but really, you know, this is a minimalist wallet, so you shouldn't get too many in there anyway. Now, the product is designed and made in England. That's in the United Kingdom. And I'm going to show both the flags up there for those who are maybe geographically challenged. But anyway, it has 2 layers of bonded full-grain Italian veg leather here. Oh boy, and you can smell it. That feels, man, that smells and feels awesome. Now this elastic here is Italian, it's high quality, and this pull tab here is rubberized for the grip. You can actually monogram this if you want to customize it further beyond even the color combinations which you can put together with this. Now it's priced at $45, and this is very easy to use, and surprisingly not a lot to worry about regarding items falling out of the wallet, not even the coins I put in there. So this is just fantastic. I really like the footprint of this. It's nice and small, and it holds on to things really well. Now it measures 3.4 by 2.1 by 0.3 inches, and this is a clever design, and the ability to totally customize it I think is very, very attractive. Now let's get to the final score. For quality, a 4, price, a 3, features of 4, usability of 5, and perception of 4. That gives us a final score of 41 out of 50. Thanks for joining us. We appreciate the time. Get a chance, pick up this wallet. Tell your friends about the channel. Look at these videos, see if they're interesting to you, and we'll see you again. Thanks, bye.